Incoming transmission standby. Welcome to the Nod News Network. The football boss hit by a sexism scandal must face legal action. The Spanish football leader could face up to 4 years in prison if convicted of sexual assault. Spanish prosecutor Marta Durantes Gil has filed a complaint with the country's Supreme Court against controversial Soccer Federation President Luis Rubiales, saying there may be grounds to charge him with assault. Sexual assault and coercion related to an allegedly non-consensual kiss with player Jenny Hermoso last month. In her statement, the player also said that she and her immediate family were subjected to constant and repeated pressure from Luis Rubiales and his professional entourage to justify an approval of what happened, the complaint said. Spanish newspaper El País. Hermoso suffered from a situation of harassment that prevented her from living freely, peacefully. The complaint also asks the court to formally investigate Rubiales, 46, to determine whether criminal charges can be brought against the soccer executive. Earlier this week, Spanish prosecutors clarified that a conviction for sexual assault could result in a prison sentence of between 1 and 4 years. Rubiales was widely reprimanded for kissing Hermoso on the lips shortly after Spain's Women's World Cup final victory over England in Australia last month. The former footballer, who has been president of the Royal Spanish Football Federation, RFEF, since 2019, later said the kiss was consensual, a claim later denied by Hermoso. The formal complaint to Spain's Supreme Court came days after Hermoso filed a criminal complaint against Rubiales, accusing him of sexual assault. Some RFEF figures have called for Rubiales to resign following the controversy, although he has so far refused to do so. Speaking at an extraordinary general meeting, Rubiales asserted that a social assassination is taking place. FIFA, soccer's world governing body, imposed a 90-day suspension on him while it conducts an investigation. Jorge Vilda, coach of the Spanish team that won the Australian Championship last month, considered a key ally of Rubiales, initially refused to criticize the RFEF president, but later condemned his actions. Vilda's contract ends on September 5. Before he was fired, several members of Vilda's coaching staff resigned and at least 81 players expressed their refusal to represent the national team as long as Rubiales remained with that team. This has been the Nod News Network, transmission complete.